Want to be Hero X, a superhero saga with jaw-dropping 2D 3D animation. Lin Ling fakes it as a top hero in a trust-based battle royale, dark, thrilling, and a global hit. 2 Super Cube sci-fi action at its finest. Ting Wang. Xiaoxiu wields an alien cube for epic powers, stunning fight scenes, and a quest to save his love. 3 Link click time travel drama with heart. Cheng and Lu dive into photos to alter the past, blending mystery and gorgeous art, a fan fave for a reason. For Lord of the Mysteries Summer 2025's must watch. Zhoming Grui wakes in a Victorian world of occult and horror, deep characters. Top tier animation. 5 Scissor 7 hilarious and wild. A bumbling assassin runs a barber shop while dodging killers, quirky vibes and slick action. Which one's on your list? Drop a comment.